Speaker, right? So the essence or the purpose of preliminary hearing is to establish probable cause.
But
right?
deep down into your heart, do you think they could establish probable cause in connection to the charges against your client?
Well, the matter has just begun, right?
Okay.
So the matter has just begun. So this court has limited jurisdiction, right? It's limited to preliminary hearing.
Okay.
So in the court wisdom, right? Say they have established probable cause.
Okay.
Well, they have been transferred. We go to criminal court A that has authority to adjudicate this matter, right? And then we go through the matter, and they got to prove the matter there.
Okay.
Right?
For your account.
Sufficient evidence to win your client. I don't think so. We're done.
So are you not troubled now? The matter has been transferred to criminal court A. They are now going for a possible indictment. Are you not troubled by that?
I'm not troubled at all. The indictment is just an allegation, right? Just statement of allegation, right? And with that statement of allegation, the defendant are presumed innocent until the contrary proof. 1, 2, they has the burden of proof. The state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt, you know what I'm saying, in establishing this matter.
For your account,
so the indictment does not amount to conviction.
For your account, they prove that you have a strong defense in this matter.
Yeah, we do. We do. The defendants are presumed innocent until they can prove it beyond a reasonable doubt, right? And so they have the burden of proof. That burden of proof remains with them until this matter is established, right? And so at that, we have not reached the Supreme Court.
But you took exception.
Took exception where it is a requirement of the law that the procedure. Yeah, that's a procedure.
Yeah. So what do we expect for your legal team at this point? Looking at all of the
It's to adequately represent the defendant in this matter, right? Represent the interest and ensure that justice is administered, right?
Are you disappointed?
I am not disappointed, not at all. Not at all. We're not disappointed. This is a procedure. I think this is a procedure. The matter doesn't end yet, right? The matter has been transferred to the court that has authority to investigate this kind of the crime charge. So at that court, they have to prove beyond reasonable doubt. The matter is going to start de novo me. The matter is going to start all over at criminal court A. And they got to come forward with the evidence. They got to give up what they call discovery, the set of evidence that they rely on to charge the defendants. And we're going to go through this matter.
There is a training audio currently that audio seems to be the state major evidence. Are you intimidated by that audio?
The first thing I don't speak to speculation. So I don't know what you're talking about. I don't refer to social media evidence. I refer to the set of facts that were presented to me. So the discovery that the prosecution will present to us is what we want to refer to. Not really social media evidence.
How strong is your legal team?
Very strong, my brother. One of the best in this country. Very strong. Sorry?
Councillor.
You, the record speak for itself. You ask for Councillor Jonathan Massaquoi, right? The record speak for itself. From the magistrate court to the Supreme Court. What there?
Councillor,